Question: when do we use the present continuous in English? Why do we use the present continuous in English? We use it to talk about something that's happening right now, at the time of speaking. A car is driving past. The sun is, oh no, the sun isn't shining. The wind is gently blowing the leaves on the tree. A lady is jogging, a man is walking. They are all things happening now, at the time of speaking. But when did they actually start? A few moments before. The car's driving past. They don't go past all the time. It started here and it goes past to there. It's temporary. The people jogging, when did they start? Maybe an hour ago. When will they finish? A little bit later. So it's temporary. They're not going to be jogging all day, every day. It's just for a period of time that has a start and it has a finish. It's temporary. Present continuous, to talk about something happening around the time of speaking. Some more cars are driving past. I'm reading a book by William Shakespeare. Well, not at this moment because I'm talking to you, but I'm in the middle of it. I'm up to page 123. So I am reading a book by William Shakespeare. When did I start? About 3 weeks ago. When will I finish? Maybe 3 or 4 weeks in the future, but I'm in the middle of the action that started before and will finish later. It's temporary. So I am reading a book by Shakespeare. One of my friends is studying law at university. How long is the course? 5 years. So it's not very short, it's quite long, but it's temporary. It started a few years ago, it'll finish in a few years from now. So at the moment, at the time of speaking, my friend is studying law at university. I'm seeing my dentist next week. I'm seeing my dentist next week. Present continuous. We're in the middle of the action that started last week when I telephoned the receptionist, and next week when I actually see the dentist. So I am seeing my dentist next week. Present continuous. We're in the middle of the action that started before and finishes later. The action is temporary. Well, the cars are still driving by and it's starting to rain. So I'm going indoors. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye for now.